Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Steven Tries New Things. And this time, my plan, I am going to, by the way, this is Caden, my buddy, my little boy. He's gonna be my helper today. Oh, I love that, buddy. So, for my birthday, I was given a BYOGuitar kit, Telecaster style. This is a nice little shot of it here. It's shaped like a Fender Telecaster. I'm very excited to see what this has inside of it. I've got a pocket knife with me to unbox this bad boy. So this is the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna unbox it, look at what all is inside of this, and see what we have to work with. So we'll do that first. Always cut away from yourself. That's a shout out to my father-in-law who works in safety. If I was to cut towards myself or to my son, his grandson here, he would, well, then he'd kill me with a knife. So, just kidding, Joe. So let's see what's in here.
And then are we gonna build it?
Yes, that will be our next plan. We will build it and put it together. Good question there, buddy. So inside the box we have
A box.
Another box. That's right. Hi, Sammy. Sammy, our doggy, is apparently here to help as well.
Whoa.
And so here's what we've got. We've got, first of all, the body, which is your Telecaster style body. That is cool. That has got a really good wood grain on it right there. You can see the pattern in it.
Wow.
It's unfinished, but the nice little wood grain in there makes me tempted to do some kind of a stain first. We did have them go ahead and pre-drill all of the holes for it, so everything should fit beautifully and nicely there, because they've already gone ahead and measured everything for us. I'll flip it over, give you a look at the back side of it there. This is a really nice little piece of wood there.
Kind of looks like a rocket.
We got the Grover locking tuners. Kind of looks like what, buddy?
A rocket.
A rocket, okay. All right. What do you mean by that? Looks like a rocket, like it's gonna blast off. And...
Like, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm being reminded to close the knife. There we go. Grover locking tuners, these are cool. I won't have the little string danglies hanging off on the ends of them. These will just lock right in place. That's gonna be really cool. I'm be excited to see how that turns out. Here are all of my electronics and everything that come inside of it. It comes, well, let's just pop it open. Of course, we've got a BYOGuitar decal here. I'll probably do something with that, maybe on the back end of it or something. Put that there.
When it comes to painting, can I help? Oh, it already has the part that.
Well, we'll still have to either paint or stain the body of the guitar, but we'll make some decisions on what we're going to do with that. I've got a few ideas that I'll probably make some screenshots of using paint or something. Not paint. GIMP or Photoshop, and I'll do that. This is the Pearl pick guard. This is an upgraded pick guard. It's really cool looking. It's got the little shiny pearl specks and everything in there inside of it, so that's going to be a fun little treat. But just to give you, for those of you that aren't familiar with Telecasters, it'll go right like that on there, and that is how it will fit. So that's going to be just a really beautiful little guitar. Set the tuning pegs there.
This is gonna be a good one.
This is the saddle, which will go down right there. That'll hold the strings in place over the pickups. Comes with a cable, a set of strings, which I will probably use these strings in the beginning to make sure everything's set and lined up properly, and then I'll upgrade the strings to an even better set of strings that I buy here pretty soon. My electronics and everything, that'll be the innards of the guitar. I don't want to mess those up too much right now, so I'll set those aside.
Daddy,
this is my pickup.
Gonna be a really nice guitar.
I think it is. It's going to be pretty cool. This locks the neck in place on the back here. I do think it's going to be nice, buddy.
Yeah.
This will be neat. I already own a Fender Stratocaster, which is my baby. It's awesome. In fact, my wife got that for me for our anniversary, and that thing is a joy to play with. This is the neck pickup. That'll rest in place right there. So yeah, it looks like all the electronics. I'm talking about you, baby. My beautiful wife is my handheld camera operator right now, and then my daughter Regan is operating the steady camera.
This is really nice. She's whipping her
Actually,
hair.
she's playing with the dog right now, because that's what she do.
Your pick.
Yeah, it came with a pick. That's a nice little touch. All the mounting screws and everything, and then this will go over that little hole right there where the cable will plug in. So all the electronics are accounted for. That's good. Looks like nothing's missing here. Of course, I'll double check through that whenever I start trying to fit everything in place. And then finally, it comes with a maple neck. They've already fretted it and already put the inlays on it.
Wow,
Very smooth. This is awesome. They did a wonderful job with this. As I run my fingers right here, I can feel that it's really smooth. They've done a very nice job on that. That thing is beautiful. And again, they've pre-drilled all the holes for me, so the tuning pegs will go right here. The string trees will go right there to hold the strings in place. The truss rod nut will go right through there. It's very smooth on the back. I think I'm going to do something to keep this just lightly stained and matte on the back, because I prefer my guitars that are like that. But this is going to be fun. This is neat. So I'd love to hear from you if you have any comments or suggestions of stuff that I should do with this. But I'm thinking, as a tribute to my alma mater, the University of North Texas, I'll do something green with it. But we will decide further as I make some designs and stuff. But there is a very basic little put together look at it, just to give you a preview of what the finished product will be. And I'm excited
Daddy,
to journey on and continue with this. What do you got, buddy?
when it comes to painting, can I help you?
Oh yeah, you'll be involved with helping me in this, of course. This will be a neat little father-son and family project. So, well, thank you for checking this out, and I'll be excited to show you what else we've got going on. Y'all have a great day.